Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change the camera on an iPhone 7. Basically, this is gonna work with any iPhone 7, and they are just similar. But for now, let's say for iPhone 7. Okay, the first thing that I mention on all my videos before you open the phone, at the meantime you can save time and change the other things that needed. So I would suggest to change the battery. The battery here is good, 87%. I don't suggest any change. And change it. Check the cameras. As you see, the camera doesn't focus. I'm just gonna put a new one or a used one from another phone, whatever you have available. And the front camera, oh, the front camera doesn't work either. But the front camera, it's an easy fix, and it's just a cheap camera. But the back camera is the most or the more expensive. The first thing, of course, we're gonna do is to turn the phone off. Okay, after we turn the phone off, give it a little bit of heat. Okay, just a little. Some you might don't need it. You don't need it at all, but I just want to show the way that it can make your life easier if in case you need it. That's all what I needed to just, it's 29 degree C, which is okay. I don't need any heat. I just, if you are doing this for the first time, you need to know this, but if you are doing this for living, I don't think you're gonna need to warm most of phones. So now this iPhone needs a back camera and a front camera. Very dirty screw. That's why it wasn't easy to remove. Okay. Now I like these razors. They don't do damage. You can use whatever. You can use plastic. I just like these razors. Don't slide them. Just lift like this. That's it. If you slide them, they would do damage. Oh, the phone turns on. Let's turn it back off. Okay. Okay, so now I don't need this. That's it. That's it. Then now, like couple twists here. This is basically the first time this phone being opened. As you can see, I can tell from the adhesive. This is an original adhesive. Okay. Now let's pull that SIM card out. We're not gonna need it. Just put it aside. little bit to the back. I have another video that's similar to this one. I explain why you need to pull to the back and lift at the same time. This is a good screen, so we're gonna use it. We're gonna have to take care of it because we're not gonna change it. We're just gonna change the camera. Okay, now the first thing you do to disconnect the battery so you can work. And start with the battery, then remove the screen, and we're gonna need it later. Now let's open the camera. It has like a couple screws here, one on this side and one on this side. I prefer to leave them over there because I don't want to lose them. I leave them on the bracket and I pull the whole bracket, so that way I know where they go. This one is impossible to stay. So now, easy step, just pull this out. Okay, now we pull the camera out. Just wiggle it a little bit. You don't wanna touch the front of it, but this is a damaged camera, so it's gonna go to garbage. It's okay to do that, but not to this one that I'm gonna put. So this one, a little screw over here to take it out. Okay, that's it. Just push it back down right there. And that's it. The camera is replaced. Super easy. Try to line it up. Now it's good. Okay. Now we put that cover back. Here's the tweezers. Okay. You don't don't have to lock the screws all the way because you might need some adjustment. Why this screw lost? Okay, let's try now. Okay, now it's working. That's it. Now you just tighten it all the way. Okay, the front camera changed. Let's see the back camera. It's done. Now let's see the front camera. Change the front camera. That's why I suggest that you check the phone before you open anything. That way you can do the work one time, because it's not an easy task to open the phone. So that's why you want to make sure you're gonna do you want to do everything at once. So this is gonna basically go away. Just gonna change the whole thing. This is the front camera, so we're just gonna throw it because it's not working. Let's grab another one. Okay, now that we grabbed another one, I grabbed it from my used phone, so let's see if it has everything on it. It looks perfect. That's it. Super easy. Align it. Once you and then start with the sensors first. It just make it easier, and then align it from here, from the speaker, where the speaker goes. So stick it there, and now just make sure that's it. One fits, and that one is also stuck in there. The camera, it will go into place over the speaker. Don't worry about the speaker, because the speaker always will be aligned. As long as you put those in the hole, you don't worry about it. Now you put the camera in place. Put the camera in place. We need that bracket. Okay, put the screws back. This is big screw here. This is small. This is big. Last couple. Make sure you check the speaker when you done the work, because you could end up moving it from place. So you make sure before you close the phone, make sure that the speaker it's working. Everything that you miss with, you should check it after you're done. Now that we have replaced hear that click, you need to hear that. This is an original screen, so should have no problem putting it back. You put it back at no time, because it's well made. Everything is aligned. The aftermarket screens, you will have little time to. Okay, put the battery in place. Now let's check what we did. Turn the phone off, on. Before you put the screen, you need to check. Charge it a little bit. Okay, now start with checking the camera. Camera is working fine, focusing fine, taking pictures. Okay, let's check the front. The front camera is also working fine, guys. Okay, check the video. Testing. Display that. Testing. Everything works fine. Okay, let's check the speaker. Testing. You see that? That's testing. Okay, looks good to me. Let's put the screen, turn it off again. You see those you need to put back underneath and then push up, and then everything else is just come into place. Okay, let's put the SIM card back. Or I don't need the SIM card. This one doesn't need a SIM card. It's actually my phone. Okay, put the screws back. The couple screws, so make sure you don't lose the couple screws because they match the color of the frame. Like this one is a rose gold, so it's hard to replace them. That's it. Okay, guys, this is the camera I removed. This is also the camera I removed. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next video.